Hey everybody, we're looking at a 1981 Yamaha Virago. This is my first bike build. I've never worked on a motorcycle before and I don't have a shop, but I really needed a project for the winter. I saw this on the marketplace for weeks and I decided to just go for it. The best way to learn this stuff is just to get your hands in. So if we come over here and check out the bike, they started putting in a subframe here for the racer seat. Started putting in some rear pedals for the racer style pedals. They ripped out all the electrical harnesses, so the electrical is pretty much stripped. And they lowered the forks a little bit, so the front end's a little lower. Another thing, it's got the front pipe in here, but it is missing a rear pipe. You'll notice the 2x4 holding the back wheel where the shock would go. So they included the original stock shock and an R1, which is great because I was looking at putting one of those in there. They also included this really handy repair manual. Super helpful, especially if you don't have the original stock components to reference and you've never built a bike before, like me. So, really helpful book. Also got a box here of some random knickknacks. Got the starter, some random components, rectifier, regulator, fuse box. So I'll have to find a home for all of that when I put the electrical in. So where I'm at is I think I'm going to have to just order electrical parts, put the electrical in, see if I can get the bike running, and go from there. After that, I can put the shocks in, do some repainting, get the seat figured out, and some more of the aesthetics. I'm gonna figure out the pipes. Looking at maybe doing a 2-into-1. And at the very end, I'm educating the idea of doing a single carb intake. I kind of find that fun. But one of the features of this bike is here's the carb intake. It goes into the frame, into the dual carbs, which is a pretty cool feature. But we'll see what happens when I get there, and if I have any money left. I'll be sharing the price of everything. I'll be sharing what I'm learning. I've been learning a lot from YouTube, so I thought I'm learning something new. Might as well share it. And it's pretty cool stuff. Really like this bike. I love some of the builds I've seen with it, so I hope I do an okay job. So yeah, if you have any tips or advice, let me know. And follow, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.